Are you seeing the WinC Runtime Convert Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Quickly resolve WinC Runtime Convert Library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the WinC Runtime Convert Library, part of the Universal C Runtime responsible for localized data conversion routines, string to integer, etc. If missing, applications will crash immediately upon reading configuration files, as they cannot resolve the standard C conversion symbols. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like WinC Runtime Convert Library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including WinC Runtime Convert Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like WinC Runtime Convert Library DLL in your System32 folder. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on WinC Runtime Convert Library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure WinC Runtime Convert Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.